Yeah, children, I am doing areas related to circles, multiple choice questions, children. See here. Areas related to circles. Okay, children. From addition, I am doing, children. First question. First question, children. If the circumference and area of circle are equal, question is, what is the value of the diameter? What is the value of the diameter? If circumference and area are equal, what is the value of the diameter? This is the question, children. Okay, so
4 centimeters.
2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Okay, children. So r gone, pi gone. Radius is equal to 2. So diameter will be 4 centimeters or 4 units or whatever it is. Okay. Next, if the difference between circumference and radius, children, if the difference between circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeters. If the difference between circumference and radius is 37, then find the circumference of the circle. Find the circumference is asking. Question is, find the circumference of the circle. 1 second. Yeah, children. What is circumference, children? 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37. Okay. What will take common, children? R. R if we take common, 2 pi minus 1 is equal to 37. So r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. So r is equal to 7 if you take LCM. 44 minus 7 is equal to 37. Okay, children, r is equal to 37 minus 7 by 7 is equal to 37. 37 cancel. Radius is 7. Radius is 7. If radius is 7, we know c minus r is equal to 37. C minus 7 is equal to 37. 7 comes here. C is equal to 44 centimeters is the circumference. He is asking you to find out circumference, children. So 44 centimeters is the circumference, children. 44 centimeters. Like this you have to find out, children. Next one. Next one. So third question, children. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius 56 centimeters. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius if it is bent in the form of a square. If the same wire is made into straight wire and again it is bent into the form of a square, question is, what is the area of the square formed? So, what is the area of so formed square? Okay, children, you are able to understand? So, children, so first what we have to find out? Perimeter of the circle. So, circumference of the circle is how much, children? 2 pi.
2 into 22 by 7 into 56.
So, C is equal to 44 into 8. Okay. C is equal to 8 4 32. 352 centimeters. This is made into straight wire. If you make say straight also, it will be 352. Now this is bent in the form of a square. So the circumference of the square also will be 352. Circumference of square formula 4s. So 352 is equal to 4s. 4 goes down. So s is equal to, so 352 by 4. So how much it will be? S is equal to 352 by 4 means S is equal to 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32. 88 centimeters will be side. Now he is asking area. Area of a square formula is side square. 88 into 88. 88 into 88 is how much, children? 88 into 88. So dash centimeter square, whatever you get, you just make it, children. 88 into 88 you find out and find out whatever is the answer, that is the answer. So the circle circumference and square circumference will be equal. The circle circumference and square circumference will be equal because it is the same wire which is bent. Fourth question, children. Fourth question, what they are saying means, if a wire is bent in the shape of a square, if a wire is bent in the form of a shape of a square, and then the area of the square is 81. This area of the square is 81. Area of the square is 81 centimeters square. When wire is bent in the form of a semicircle shape, the same wire is bent in the form of semicircle shape. Okay, then area of this semicircle is how much? Area of this semicircle is how much? So area of square formula is what, children?
S square is equal to 81 centimeters.
9 square. So S is equal to 9
centimeters.
centimeters. Now perimeter of the square formula, children?
4s is 4 into 9. 4 is
Yeah, 36
36.
centimeters. Okay, children. Now, what is the question, children? He is asking find the area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle means so, children. Area of the semicircle.
Sir, first perimeter will be
Perimeter of the square is 36, children. Perimeter of the square is 36.
pi r is equals to 36.
No pi r, Nana. See, this is pi r plus 2r. This also we should take. This is pi r plus 2r. So pi r plus 2r is 36. Understood? You should not take only pi r. Pi r plus 2r. The one also we should take. Pi r plus 2r is 36. Pi r plus 2r is equal to 36. So r 22 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 36. R 7 if you take LCM. 22 plus 14 is equal to 36. R 36 by 7 is equal to 36. 36 count. Radius is 7. Now radius is 7. Area of semicircle formula pi r square by 2. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 2. This called 11. So area of semicircle is 77 centimeters square. So children, slowly you should do, children, because here there is chance of committing a mistake. Children, please don't commit any such type of mistakes. Be careful, because when you are bending in the form of semicircle, this also will come, children. You should do slowly and correctly, children. Like that you will get the sums, children. Next one. One more sum will do. So question is like this, children. One more sum will do. Fifth question. A circular park has a path of uniform width around it. There is a park, children. There is a park. Around this park, uniform width is there. This park has uniform width. Okay, for when let me say for walking or jogging, whatever it is. The difference between the outer and inner of the circular paths is 132 meters. The difference between outer and inner circumference. So, children, outer circumference minus inner circumference of the path is 132 meters. 132 meters. Question is find the width. Question is find the width, children. Are you able to understand, children? So question is a circular park has a path of uniform width. The difference between outer circumference and inner circumference is 132. What is the width? This is the question, children. What is the width? Slowly I am doing, children. Please all of you concentrate here. So children, outer circumference is how much, children? 2 pi big R. Inner circumference is what, children? 2 pi small r is equal to 132. 2 pi if you take common, big R minus small r is equal to 132. This goes down. Big R minus small r is equal to 132 by 2 pi. Big R minus small r is equal to 132 by 2 into 22 by 7. 22 6 are 2 3s are 3 7s are 21. Big R minus small r is 21 centimeters. Big R minus small r is only indirectly width. Big R minus small r only is width, children. So width is equal to 21 centimeters. Did you understand, children? Big R minus small r, children. See here. Okay. This is big R, children. This is small r. From big R, if you remove small r, you will get width only, no? So big R minus small r is only width. The width is 21 centimeters for that circular path. Like that you should do, children, slowly. Hope you are able to understand, children. 5 sums I did, children. Some more sums will do. Please copy, children. Don't waste time. Okay. Anyone have any doubt in these questions? We'll do some more sums, children. Just please copy, children. Shall I erase it, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. So 5 sums over, children. Next. What did he say, Vincent? 6th question. I'm doing, children. Coming to 6th question, the radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. So 6th question is like this, children. The radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. The radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. the number of revolutions it will make to travel 11 kilometers. To travel 11 kilometers, how much revolutions it will make to travel 11 kilometers? How much revolutions it will make? So children, to travel 11 kilometers, how many revolutions it will make? What is the condition we know, children? One revolution is equal to
Circumference.
2 pi r. One revolution is equal to 2 pi r distance it will go. In one rotation, the circle will go 2 pi r distance. In one rotation, the circle will go 2 pi r distance, children. So, in how many rotations it will go 11 kilometers? This is the question, that's all. In how many rotations it will go 11 kilometers? If you can find out this, you will get the answer, children. So, one rotation is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25. In how many rotations it will go? 11. So children, meters, no? In 1 kilometer, how many meters will be there, children? 11,000 meters. Okay. So in one rotation, how many meters will be there, children? 11,000 meters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 11 kilometers means 11,000 meters. Cross multiplication, children. 1 into 11,000 is equal to x into 2 into 22 by 7 into 25 by 100. 25 by 100 means 1 by 4. So 11,000 is equal to x into 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 4. So children, 7 and 4 will go up, children. So 11,000 into 7 into 4 by 2 into 22. Okay children, 2 into 22. Slowly you see, children, how I am doing. Please see the calculations. See 11 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 cancel. 7,000 rotations it will make to cover 11 kilometers. 7,000 rotations it will make to cover 11 kilometers. Like this you have to do, children. So one rotation is equal to 2 pi r. If you remember that concept, over, children, you can do any sum. One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. In 7,000 rotations it will cover 11 kilometers. Okay. Next, 7th sum. Please copy, children, don't sit idle, and do all the sums each 2 to times after the class. The ratio of outer and inner perimeters. Outer perimeter by inner perimeter of a, the ratio of outer and inner perimeter of circle is 23 by 22. I'm sorry, 23 by 22. Okay. If the path is 3 meters wide, the path, this path is there, children, this path is 3 meters wide. The width of the path is 3 meters wide. Question is, find the diameter of inner circle. Question is, find the diameter of inner circle. You have to find the diameter of inner circle. Okay, children. So children, how we will do? So this we have done now, children. So the outer perimeter is 23, inner perimeter is 22. Outer perimeter means 2 pi big R. Inner perimeter means
2 pi small r is equals to 23 by 22. 2 pi cancel.
Big R by small r is equal to
23 by 22.
23 by 22. Big R by small r is 23. We know width means what, children? Width means
Big R minus small r.
Big R minus small r is width, children. Width, how much they give, children? 3 meters. So big R is 23x, small r is 22x. Big R is 23x, small r is 22x. So
x is
1x is equal to 3. So children, outer if you want 23 into 3, inner if you want 22 into 3. So 69 centimeters is outer radius, 66 centimeters is inner radius. But if you want outer diameter, 69 into inner diameter means 66 into 2, that is 132. Like that you have to do, children. Very, very careful you should be, children. Unknown sums only, children, but at that time how to do, you should get that each of the idea, children. Known sums only, but how to do according to the sum, you should get it, children. So if you practice now, in the moment of the exam you will understand easily. The circumference of circle is 100 centimeters. Circumference of circle is 100 centimeters, children. Okay, the side of the square inscribed. Children, what is the side of the square inscribed? Inside there is one square. What is the question is the circumference of circle? The side. Find the side of the square. Okay, children, circumference of circle is 100 means, see here, children.
Diagonal will be
2, Very good.
2 pi r equals to 100 pi r equals to 100 by 2 pi r sorry 2 pi r equals to 50 by pi.
So what happens? This is 2r children. This is 2r. This is 2r. This is diameter. Okay children, and this is, let us take so x and x. Let us take x and x. We have to find the side children. So 2r is this one children, and this is 90 degrees. So we will use Pythagoras theorem children. Q into 50 by pi whole square is equal to x square plus x square. This square is equal to this square plus this square. Again I am saying this square is equal to this square plus this square. This r we got here children. So 100 square is how much children? 100 square. So 100 by pi whole square. Okay, 100 by pi whole square is equal to x square plus x square 2x square. X square plus x square 2x square. Okay children, 100 by pi whole square is equal to root 2 whole square into x square. Children, 2 I am writing as root 2 whole square, so that calculation will become easy for you. Square, 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 cancel. So root 2 goes down children. X is equal to 100 by pi root 2. Okay children, on rationalizing, so root 2 by root 2. So how much it will become? X is equal to 100 root 2 by 2 pi. If you do 100 root 2 by pi children, x is equal to 50 root 2 by pi. Okay children, x is equal to 50 into 1.414 by pi. Okay, we'll leave it here only children. Okay, if you want you can simplify children. That is the side children. How I did the side you should understand, and please practice accordingly children.
Sir,
Right.
in the before 7th sum, sir, 132 option is not there, sir.
Diameter. 1 second. 7th one, 132 is not there. If the part is the diameter of the inner circle, 23 by 22, 23x, 22x. Nana, it is 5 Nana. I did not see properly. I wrote it as 3 Nana. It is 5 M. If it is 5, this is also 5 M. No. 2. Yeah, if this is 5.
22 into 5.
This is also 5 M. This is also 5. So 22 into 5 is how much?
110.
110 centimeters is, and this is how much? 1565. Correct? No. 5 is 15. 5 is 115. Now I want diameter. Diameter means into 2 you do 220 centimeters. 220. Okay. So children, in 8th question they have given in roots only. 50 root 2 by pi is the answer. The area of incircle of an equilateral triangle of side 4, 42. Children, there is an equilateral triangle children. Each side is 42 they are saying. Each side is 42. Question is, what is the area of incircle? Area of the incircle. You want area of the incircle children. So if you want the area of the incircle, compulsory you need a radius children. You need a radius. How to find the radius? How to find a radius children? So area of equilateral triangle. See here children. This is also radius. This is also radius. See here children. This is also radius. This is also radius. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to base 1 plus second one plus third one. Okay children. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. A square means what children? 42 square. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. Okay children. So a1 means what children? Area of this. Anyone? Area of this? Half into base into height. Second one also same. Half into
42.
base into height. Third one also half into 42 into r. So children, root 3 by 4 into 42 square is equal to 42 square. Please see here children. So half into r, if you take common, 42 plus 42 plus 42. So 42 into 3 children. 42 into 3. Okay. Now root 3 by 4 I square. So slowly you have to children, you have to find the radius. So r is equal to root 3 by 4 into 42 into 42. This I will take up children. This I will take up, and this I will bring down 42 into 3. So children, 142 has gone. 2s are 21s are 2 gone. This is 7. Radius is 7 root 3. When radius is 7 root 3, what is the question? Area of the circle. What is the area of the circle formula, children? Area of the circle is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 7 root 3 into 7 root 3. This 7 gone. 22 7s are 154. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 4 12 15 16 462 centimeters square. 462 centimeters square is the answer, children. Option is C, children. Option is C. Option is C. 10th question, children. Please go to 10th question, children. The area of incircle of an equilateral triangle is 154. Now, area of incircle they are giving, children. Area of incircle they are giving. Area of incircle is how much? 154. What is the perimeter of triangle? Okay. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Area is given, children. Okay. When area is given of incircle, children, so what we will do, children? The area of incircle is equal to 154. So 154 is equal to what we will do, children? Pi r square. So 154 into 22 by 7 into r square. 22 7s are 77. 7 square is equal to r square. Radius is 7 centimeters. Children, this is 7 centimeters. Children, this is 7. Now you have to find out each side, children. You have to find out each side. Shall we use trigonometric ratio or shall I go with this method, children?
Trigonometric ratio.
Trigonometric ratio means just 30 degrees, children. This will be, because total is 60, this will be 30. This side we have to find out. So opposite by adjacent, who will give, children?
So tan 30 is
Tan 30 is equal to 7 by
x. 1 by root 3 is equals to 7 by x. X is equal to 7 root 3.
But full side means
14.
into 2, 14 root 3. Now question is perimeter. Perimeter means 14 root 3, 14 root 3, 14 root 3 into 3 you should do, children. So how much it will be? 42 root 3 centimeters is the perimeter of incircle. The perimeter of incircle is 42 root 3. So 42 into 1.732 you should do, children. Can anyone tell me 42 into 1.732 is how much? 42 into 1.732, is it possible for you to tell, children? So that I can tell the correct option. 1.732 into 42, children. 4, 6, 14.
72.74.
72.74 centimeters. 72.74 is option is there, children. 72.7 means D option, children. D is the option. D is the option. Okay. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time and practice all the sums each 2 times so that you will become perfect, children, with the sums. So that you need not revise again same sums. We can go to some other new sums, children. 11th question. So children, 11th question, they are saying the area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. This is r, this is r, this is also r. What is the area of the largest triangle? Area of the largest triangle is what, children? Half into base is 2r into height into r. So what is the area? R square. What is the area of the largest triangle inscribed in a semicircle? R square. Area of the largest triangle is r square. Next, the perimeter of triangle is 30 centimeters. The perimeter of triangle is 30 centimeters. Please see, children, perimeter of triangle is 30 and the circumference of incircle is 88. Circumference of incircle is 88. Okay. What is the area of the triangle? Question is, what is the area of the triangle? This is the question. Okay, children. So perimeter of triangle is 30, children. There is a triangle. Inside it there is a circle. Perimeter of triangle. Did they say equilateral triangle, children? By any chance? The area of incircle in equilateral area of the perimeter of triangle is 30 and circumference of incircle is 88. Area of triangle. No, they didn't say equilateral triangle also, children. Let's see if we can do or not. If not, we will see. So children, circumference of circle 88, children. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi
2
r
pi
is
r
equal
is
to
equals to 88.
2
Ah,
into
22 by 7 into r is equals to 88.
88, 22
22
fours are
4s are
2 twos
2,
are.
7
So
to the
radius
14.
is 14 centimeters. Radius is 14 centimeters, children. Okay, this is 14 centimeters. Now, yes, children, we can do. Area of the triangle is equal to, area of triangle is equal to this triangle plus this triangle plus this triangle, 3 triangles. Okay, let us take this is A, let us take B, this is C. Area of first triangle is half into base is A, height is how much, children? 14. Area of second triangle half into side B into 14. Area of third triangle half into base is how much, children? C into 14. Base C. So area of triangle is equal to half into
Half
14
into
if you take
14.
common.
A plus B plus C.
But A plus B plus C, how much they give, children?
30.
30 centimeters. So area of triangle is equal to half
Half
into 14 into 30.
15 into
210 centimeters square is the area of the triangle. Like this you should do, children. Okay. 13th question. So children, coming to 13th question. Perimeter of triangle is 30. Area of circle is 220. Area of circle is 220 centimeters square. Okay. The area of the square inscribed inside it. The area of the square inscribed in it. This is a circle. Inscribed means inside. Inscribed means inside. From area of circle we have to find the radius, children. Okay. So area of circle formula, children. Pi r square is equal to 220. Okay. 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 220. This two gone, children. Okay. So r square is equal to 70. R is equal to root of 70. Now children, see here. So this is 2r, children, this is 2r, this is x, this is x. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem, children. 2r whole square is equal to x square plus x square. 2r means 2 root 70 whole square is equal to x square plus x square. 2 square is 4, so root 70 is 70, 2x square. So x square is equal to 140 centimeters square. X square is nothing but area. X square is nothing but area of square. So area of square is 140 centimeters square. Simple, children. X square is only, x square means side square. Side square is only area of square. Area of square is 140. That's all. No need to do again the root and find side again square. There is no fun, children, in that. 14th question I am going to see here. So coming to the 14th question, children. If the circumference of circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi, if the circumference is increasing to 4 pi to 8 pi, question is then the area is, what happens to area? What happens to area? So children, circumference C1 by C2 is becoming 4 pi to 8 pi. C1 is what? 2 pi R1. C2 2 pi R2 is equal to 4 pi by 8 pi. Pi 2 cancel. R1 by R2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now A1 by A2 is equal to, okay, pi R1 square by pi R2 square. Okay, children, A1 by A2 is equal to pi cancel 1 by 2 whole square. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 4. 4 goes here, A2 goes here. A2 is equal to 4A1. Area is increasing 4 times. Area is becoming 4 times. Okay, children? Like this you have to do, children. If you practice how many questions you practice, that much you will become perfect in the subject, children. Just simply sitting and wasting the time, instead of that you can do like this, new sums, children. If you do new sums, then your exposure of thinking will increase, children. Thought process will be there, children. That will increase. Okay. If the radius is diminished by 10%, super question, children. Radius is diminished. Radius is diminished by 10%. Radius is diminished by 10%. Then the area decreases by how much percent? Area decreases by how much percent? Okay, children. So A1 by A2. Pi R1 square by pi R2 square. Pi cancel. A1 by A2. Original radius, imagine 100. Then after decreasing 10%, it will become 90
90.
whole square over children, that's it. So A1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 is equal to 100 by 81.
81.
Percentage decrease is equal to change by original into 100. Whether it is increase or decrease, change by original into 100. Whether it is increase or decrease, change by original. How much is the change?
19
19. How much is the
by
original?
100.
100
Into
into 100. So
19%.
19% decrease in area.
Area.
If radius is decreased 10%, area will decrease 19%. Try to understand, children. If area is decreased by 10%, radius is decreased by 10%, area decreases by 19%. How you got 19%? I showed here, children. Like that, children, if you do how many sums, so many sums if you do, you'll get idea how to do the sums, children. Always doing same textbook again and again. Absolutely of no use, children. So you have to get exposure to various methods of sums, children. Okay, hope you are copying, children. Please copy all the questions. Anyone have any doubts, children? Till here? Please keep copying, children, fast. We'll do 5 more sums and we'll stop. Come on, children, copy fast. So if radius is decreasing by 10%, area is decreasing by 19%. You should know that, okay? Next, 16th question. 16th question, children. So we are doing 1 to 20 in R.D. Sharma. Remaining sums we'll do later. So 16th question, children. What is the 16th question? If area of square is same as that of area of circle, he's saying area of square and area of circle are same. Then ratio of their perimeters is how much? Ratio of their perimeters is asking. Okay, he's asking question is perimeter of square to perimeter of circle is how much? Area of square is how much, children? Side square.
Side square.
Area of circle is what, children?
Pi r square.
By r square. This you bring, children. S square by r square is equal to pi by 1. So S by r is equal to root pi by root 1 is 1 only. Now question is perimeter of square to perimeter of circle. Perimeter of square to perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle is 4s.
4s by 2 r.
2 by r. Okay, children, perimeter of circle is 4s by 2 by r. So this gone, children. So 2s by pi r. Okay, children, 2s by pi r. So 2
S by pi you can write as root
by pi, and s by r is how much we got, children? S by r?
root pi by
Root pi by 1. So how we will write, children? This is
2 by root pi.
We have to see according to the question we should go now. So so what we will do, children? So what we got means perimeter of square by perimeter of circle we got 2 root pi by pi. So in the choice it is not given. When choice it is, they gave pi is to root 3, 2 is to root pi, 3 is to pi, pi is to root 2. According to the question we will go, children. So what we will do? We will rationalize root pi and root pi. Okay. So perimeter of square by perimeter of circle is equal to 2 into root pi into root pi, pi by pi root pi. This gone. Perimeter of circle by perimeter of square by circle is 2 by root pi. So answer is 2 is to root pi. Like this we should do. According to the question, we have the situation, we have to go, children. Actually 2 root pi is correct only, but they asked in this form. I did this, children. So 17th question. In 17th question, they are asking the area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. Just now we did know, children, already. This is r, this is r, this is r. What is the area of triangle, children?
1 by 2 into 2r into r.
So r square. We did this one already. 18th question. What is the 18th question? They said the ratio of area of circle and equilateral triangle. Ratio of circle to ratio of equilateral triangle. So the ratio of area of circle to equilateral triangle whose diameter and a side are equal. So children, circle diameter and equilateral triangle side are equal. Circle diameter and equilateral triangle side both are equal. Both are equal. Okay, so diameter means 2r. 2r is equal to area of circle formula what, children? Pi r square.
Pi r square
Root
by root
equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 is
Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. So 4 pi r square by root 3 a square. So children, 4 pi r square by root 3. Instead of a, I will write 2r. 2r whole square. So 4 pi r square by root 3 into 4 r square. 4 r square, 4 r square. Pi by root 3, that is pi is to root 3. That's it, children. Like this you have to do, children. Next, 19th question. Please check, children. If the sum of the areas of two circles with a radius r1 r2 are equal to the area of circle of radius r, then what is, so children, sum of the areas of a1 plus a2 is equal to other triangle, then this is saying pi r1 square they said, this is they said pi r2 square they said, this they said just pi r square. If you cancel pi, r square is equal to how much? r1 square plus r2 square. That's all, children, they ask you. What is value of r square? r1 square plus r2 square. That's all, children. Okay. Next one. If the perimeter of semicircular protractor is 36, then its diameter. Very nice question, children. This is a protractor, children. He is saying perimeter of protractor is 36 centimeter. What is the diameter? So children, many people, because it is a semicircle, they will take pi r, children. If
pi r plus 2r.
You should take pi r plus 2r because perimeter means pi r plus 2r. So pi r plus 2r is equal to 36. R if you take common, 22 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 36. R is equal to 22 by 7 plus plus 14 by 2 is equal to 36. So children, R is equal to R into 22 plus 14 is 36 by 7 is equal to 36. So radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Now what is asking diameter? Diameter means 14 centimeters is the diameter of protractor, children. 14 centimeters is the diameter of protractor. Like this we have to do, children. So we have completed 20 sums, children. So remaining sums we will do in the next class, children. We have completed MCQs, children, in R.D. Sharma from 1 to 20 questions I did from areas related to circles. Okay, remaining questions are there. We will do in later next video, children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Please leave the group, children. 9th class people will join.